Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Tangi Pharmacy Supplier. So project description is in the following projects you will import the data pharmacy suppliers you will edit the worksheets vice presidents and operation to the current inventory pharmacy supply type of hospital and clinics you will the average dsm and maximum function add all text on the pages. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses is accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grades your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 10G Pharmacy Supplier. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the file Excel 10G pharmacy supply downloaded with this project. So go to the Excel worksheets. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel 10G formative supply. And we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is be sure a pharmacy supplier info worksheet active supplier pharmacy supplier info worksheet is active and select the cells A2 from data tabs. Click or press get the data and then locate and select the command to get the data from Microsoft Access. In the import the data dialog box, navigate the files downloaded with this project and select the access a file 10G pharmacy supplier and then click or press imports and select the 10G pharmacy suppliers table and then use two loads two commands. Import the data into the existing worksheet and close the query connection panes and select the cell is A1. So select the cell is A2 and supplier info worksheet is active and select the cell is A2. The cell is A2 and format the data tabs. Click or press get the data and then locate the select the commands to get from the Microsoft Access. In the import the data dialog box and navigates the file downloaded with this project. Select the access file 10G pharmacy supply and then click press imports and select the 10G pharmacy supply table and use the load to commands the import data existing worksheets. So go to the Excel worksheets and go to the data tabs. Go to the get and transform groups. Click the get a data and click the pharma database and click the pharma Microsoft Access database and get a data. Select the command data Microsoft Access. In the import the data dialog box, navigate the file downloaded with this project and select the access file 10G pharmacy suppliers access. So import the files and select the E10G pharmacy supplier and click import the files. Import the files and then click select the 10G pharmacy suppliers table and use the loads to command import the data existing worksheets. Click the 10G pharmacy suppliers. 10G pharmacy suppliers use the loads to command import the data and existing worksheets and click the load to and click the table and existing worksheet in cell A2 existing worksheets in the data existing worksheet and close the query connection pin and select the cells A1 and click OK. So import the files. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is display the pharmacy staff worksheet in the cell B18. Insert the daverage function using the range A3 to F16 as the database that calculate the average hourly wages for missed and using the criteria in the range C80 to C19 and apply the accounting number formats to your result in the cell B18. Display pharmacy staff worksheets, the pharmacy staff worksheets, and in the cell B18 insert the average function using the range A3 to F16 as the database and that calculate the average hourly wage for the using the criteria in the range C80 to C19. Select the cell is B18, B18 and insert the average function using the range A3 to F16. So type is equal to and type the average function, and using the range A3 to F16, using the range A3 to F16, 3 to F16 and type a comma, type the inverted commas and averages, calculate the averages hourly wages. So calculate the hourly wages and type the inverted commas, type comma and ranges, second ranges criteria in the range C80 to C19, C80 to C19. So type the C80 to C19, the close bracket and press enter. So the result is 32.76 and apply the accounting number format your result in cell B18. So select the cell is B18, apply the accounting number formats, go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and click the accounting number formats. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the cell B2021 insert the dsum function using the range A3 to F16 as the database that calculate the wage per shift for a pharmacy technician using the criteria in the cell C21 to D22. Apply the accounting number formats to your result in cell B21. In a cell B21, so select the cell is B21 and insert the dsum function using the range A3 to F16 as the database that calculate the wage per shift for the pharmacy using the criteria in cell C21 to D22. So insert the dsum function, type is equal to and type the dsum function. So insert the dsum function is using the range A3 to F16. So first range is A3 to F16, A3 to F16 and type the inverted commas A3 to F16 and then database data calculate the wage per shift. So copy the wage per shift and type the inverted commas, type a wage per shift, and again type the inverted commas and technician, and using the criteria in cell C21 to D22. C21 to, so second range is C21 to C21 to D22 and close bracket and press enter. So result is 686.4. And apply the counting number format to your result in cell B21 and apply the counting number format in cell B21. So select the cell is B21 and apply the counting number formats. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and apply the counting number formats. The counting number formats, and then click OK. So question number 4 is complete. And we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is in a cell E18 type the maximum format hourly wage and use the format pointer to copy the formats from a cell C80 to E18. E18 copy the title and paste the title in cell E18. Select the cell is E18 and type the maximum format hourly wages and press enter and use the format pointer to copy the format cell C80 to E18. So apply the format pointer C80 to E18, select the C18 and apply the copy the format pointer and paste the format pointer in cell E18. The cell is E18 and apply the format pointer, and next is select the column B and then format the column with dialog box and set the width of 10. Select the column E, so select the column E and then from the column width box is 10. So right click and click the column with this, type 10 and then click OK. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is in cell E19 begin the maxif function by typing is equal to maxif and select the range representing the hourly wage of the pharmacy staff, type a comma and then as the criteria range select the range is representing the status of the pharmacy staff and type a comma and then as the criteria select the cell C90 and press enter, apply the accounting number format and C90 and press apply the accounting number format to your results. In a cell E19 and type is equal to and type the max if function. So type is equal to and type the max if function, max if function. By typing the max if function representing the hourly wage of the pharmacy staff, type a comma and then as the criteria, and then hourly wage of the pharmacy staff, type a comma, criteria range, select the representing status of the pharmacy staff, type a comma and then as the criteria select the C19, press enter, where the accounting number formates to your results and insert the maxif functions. So range is E4 to E16, E16, type the comma and second range is C4 to C16 to C16, the comma and C19, close bracket and press enter. So result is 33.8 and press enter accounting number format for results and apply the accounting number format. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups and click the accounting number formats. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is display the pharmacy supply inventory worksheet inside the table in the range A7 to E42 and select the cell as A1. Display the pharmacy supply inventory worksheets. Display the pharmacy supply inventory worksheet. Pharmacy supply inventory worksheets and insert the tables in the range A7 to E42. A7 to E42, and insert the table. So go to the insert tabs, go to the table groups and click the tables and then click OK and select the cell is A1. So select the cell is A1. So question number 7 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.